Garlic is highly beneficial for health due to its rich nutritional profile and medicinal properties. Here are some key health benefits of garlic. 1. Boosts immunity. Garlic has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It can strengthen the immune system and help fight colds and infections. 2. Heart health. Lowers blood pressure. Garlic helps reduce high blood pressure. Reduces cholesterol. It can lower LDL bad cholesterol and increase HDL good cholesterol. Prevents heart disease. Garlic improves blood circulation and reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which reduce inflammation and may help with conditions such as arthritis. 4. Antioxidant properties. Its antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. 5. Blood sugar control. Garlic can help regulate blood sugar levels, benefiting people with type 2 diabetes. 6. Digestive health. It supports gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and reducing harmful bacteria. How to use garlic for maximum benefits. Raw garlic. Eating garlic raw is most effective because cooking can reduce its active compounds. Supplements. Garlic capsules are available for those who dislike its strong flavor. Cooking tip. Let chopped garlic sit for 10–15 minutes before cooking to maximize allicin production. While garlic is generally safe, excessive consumption can cause digestive issues or interfere with certain medications like blood thinners. Moderate consumption is recommended for best results.